Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make custard sweet. Start by combining your sugar with egg yolks before adding any hot liquid. This helps the sugar dissolve evenly and prevents a grainy texture. For a standard recipe, about 1/2 cup of granulated sugar per 2 cups of milk is a good starting point. Remember, you can always add more sweetness later, but it's harder to reduce it. To elevate your custard's sweetness and flavor, don't forget the power of vanilla. A good quality vanilla extract or the seeds from 1/2 of a vanilla bean can make a huge difference. Also, a tiny pinch of salt, just about 1/8 of a teaspoon, can surprisingly enhance the sweet notes. For a richer, more complex sweetness, try incorporating a tablespoon of honey or maple syrup into your mixture. For a truly decadent and sweet custard, consider using sweetened condensed milk. It adds incredible richness and a lovely creamy texture, often reducing the need for additional sugar. Another fantastic method is to infuse your milk with natural flavors like orange zest or a cinnamon stick while it heats. This imparts a subtle, aromatic sweetness. You can also add a caramel layer to the bottom of your serving dishes for an extra sweet surprise. Always taste your custard base before it goes into the oven. This is your last chance to adjust the sweetness to your liking. Keep in mind that once chilled, the sweetness can seem a little less pronounced, so don't be afraid to make it slightly sweeter than you think you need. And speaking of upgrades, if you're looking to simplify your home cleaning, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to this amazing device, along with other great deals, in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.